Hey, I've never done anything like this before. I always am camera shy, so this time I'm in front of the camera. But I figured I might as well start videoing my progress on Europa. So I got this plane back in 2012. My Uncle Kim and Bill Rogers went down with me to Florida. We picked this bird up. It's partially done, abandoned project, and I've picked it up. It is now December of 2020, and there's not much progress on it. Yeah, so that's all on me. I've been a slacker, but I hope now that with the time that we have with COVID and so I hope to get it done. It's a long way. It's, as they say, 90% there, 90% to go. But I figured I'd give a little update. I don't know if I can swing the camera around once it's recording, but anyway, so right now I'm working on the brake system. Not much to report on that. I've got it in place. There's no foot pedal brakes in the Europa. It uses hand brakes. So this is where the throttle goes, right here. And over here is where the brake handles will be. Now, this plane, because I'm recording it in selfie mode, it's going to be opposite. So it may look a little different right now. But you'll have two levers that come up here. And then as a pilot, when you come into land, you'll pull. And these levers are also, I'll show you in a minute, but assist in steering. The rudder or the pedals there's no controllable nose wheel steering, so you'll have to use the brakes to bring the nose around, taxi around and whatnot. But right now I'm trying to figure out the location for that. I have to fabricate some gusset plates for that bracket to foot in. The plans call for cutting out this area completely and putting in a splash mold or a part built from a splash mold, put it in there, and then button it back up and whatnot. I don't like the idea of cutting this all out just for that, so I'm going to do a little bit different. Plus, parts coming from Europe is expensive. But this is the brake assembly. As you can see here, Matco brake systems, and you can see there's two brake handles. And so I made this plate that the brakes will sit on, and then I've got to build some gussets to fit down in the tunnel for it to mount to. So that's where I'm at. Some of the other things that I've been working on in the tunnel is kind of locating where I'm going to put the firewall. That's that black line you see here. And I also had to remove some old components for the monowheel that the plane previously was in. So a lot of work to do. I hope I can keep this going. We'll see how far it gets. I should have started recording earlier when I was cutting that out, just so you could see the progress and the dust flying. But yeah, we'll see where it goes. See ya.